Hello everyone, greetings from the day. Today, I Ratika Sharma of class 8th is here to narrate a beautiful self-composed story on the topic friendship. And the title of my story is The Treehouse of Friendships. So let's begin. A long time ago, there were 3 best friends. They used to play together, study together, eat together. They used to meet at each other's house. Their parents doesn't like this. They stopped their children to call their friends. Getting rid of all this, decided to make their own house. That means a tree house. Their decision was final. They started collecting money. They helped their mothers in household chores, and then their mother gave some amount of money to them, and doing all this they all save money from their pocket money also, doing all the hard work. Nearly after 1 year of time, they have collected much money so that a tree house can be built. This thing they didn't tell to their parents. When they have collected all the money, they were too happy that now they will own their own house, in which no one will stop them to meet. Then they went to the carpenter and tell all their demands that they want in their tree house. The carpenter did his work, and nearly after 1 week of time hand over the tree house to the children. Now the children were too happy that no one will disturb them or stop them to meet their friends or spend the time with their friends. Here the best bond of friendship developed in all the friends. Now they all used to spend much of their time with each other and with the tree house. Many years passed. The children grew up. Now there was the time to say goodbye to their friends and their tree house, because the city they were living has not much opportunities of the job, and they need a job to live a decent life. They all have to leave each other and went to the another city. They all went to the another city, and after some years they all have settled their life there. But at that time also they miss their friends and the childhood days with their friends and the tree house. Whenever they think about the tree house they have made with the hard work, they just get emotional and always want to go back there at that time of the life. Eventually, they all 3 have taken leave from their work at one same day. They all want to refresh their childhood memories in the tree house. They all started their journey to their previous city. The first friend entered the tree house, and the second, and then the third. They all were too shocked to see each other. They were too happy to see each other after a long time. This is because this story is about very years back when there were no mobile phones, so that they can communicate before that. They were too happy to see each other, and they were too shocked that they have gotten same idea on the same day. Now they all were too excited to tell each journey. Now when they started sharing their journey, the shocking news was that they all were living in the same city, and also their work field was also the same. Now again they have decided to give a new flight to their friendship. As the previous time, they all saved the money and purchased the land just in front of the tree house. At that land, they made their own real house, not a tree house. Now they were very happy, very excited and very happy. Now they can live in their own house. And they also started a business because if you remember, they all were of same work field. After their house and the business settled, they all started living there happily, and once again their friendship got a fly. Once again they started working together by remembering their childhood days. And do you know what the name they had given to their house? The name of their house was the Tree House of Friendship. Yes, the Tree House of Friendship, because their best bond of friendship was started from a tree house, and the tree house of their childhood was open for all the children, so that no one else would suffer from the stage they have suffered in their childhood. And they all also built a small park with some rides at the sides of the tree house, and they started living a decent life and enjoy their life with each other in a real house. After many years, whenever they remember their meeting in the tree house when they grew up, they just remember a line that friendship is that bond. Friendship is that bond which can never be broken, and if the God also want to break it, it can't be broken. A friend is that person with whom your time spent is a very special time of your life. A friend is that person with whom you can share all your feelings, and the friend is the only one who took out from the problems, and he is the only one who pushes you in the problem. Yes, this is the truth of the life. This is the definition of the friendship. This is not a real definition of a friendship, because friendship is that relation that can never be explained in words. A friendship is that relation that is above in all the relation. A friend is who help you in all the situations. May you also have a tree house of friendship. Thank you.